Okay, welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box, and this time we're going to unbox this cool mobile phone holder VOLTES 5 Legacy Edition, which from Playkit, Philippines. So you go, guys, this pretty cool phone holder. So they got 4 designs that you can choose on. So we got this one and that one and that one. Okay, this one, we got the famous, one of the VOLTES 5 posts that I really love. So, yeah, so we'll see how good it is. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is really neat. Nice. So this is made of acrylic, so maybe you can put some lighting at the back. It's a great design, and what I really love here is this VOLTES 5. Right, so because you can add it really good in your display. So let's check the size. Okay, so let's see. So it's just around 5 inches and 3.5 inches wide. So let's take it out and let's see if it's built. Okay, it's kind of hard to remove from the plastic. Okay. So it's really nice because it's really a thick kind of acrylic, right? And that's pretty cool. And of course there's how they call it, like a plastic protection here that you need to remove. So you can really get the clear look of acrylic. Okay, that's it. It's nice. Okay, so there you go. You can see how cool is that, right? So it's like back to back. Okay. Sorry about that. Put it inside. And also this one, this is what I really like. I was thinking to put some, I don't know, maybe some light pig ears or light effects on the, instead of using this one, I guess we can use other stand that will give lighting effects. Okay, so okay. Of course, this one is not back to back, so you need to just put it on one side. And this one, so if it, okay, so maybe if you're interested how thick is this one, so it's almost 3/8 thick, 3/8 inches, and this one maybe 1/8. Yeah. Oh, and hard on this one. I'm glad I have longer nails. I can easily remove that. So let's put it on. You can If you want it like that or you want it like that, you can do that too. So I go on this one. Let's see. Okay. That is nice. So this is a phone holder. So we'll just show you guys how to put your phone. Of course, that's how you're gonna put your phone. Right? That's really cool. Really nice. Great idea. Great gifts for the holiday. So, yeah. So in pesos, that's the price. So of course, it's gonna be more expensive from other country to get one of these. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And just comment down below anything you want. Just let me know your country. That'll be great. And very helpful for us content creator to enjoy and continue doing what we love and sharing all the toys that we are collecting. So, thank you once again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.